These days, a major trouble being faced by the importers at the ports of India is that their goods are being stranded and detained by the customs officer without any rhyme or reason. And as a result, an importer has to bear a huge amount of demurrage and detention, which escalates with each passing day. To overcome this difficulty of the importers, via the Finance Act 2006, the Parliament inserted Section 110A to the Customs Act 1962 to facilitate the easy clearance of these goods which are detained without any rhyme or reason, whereby the importer is entitled to the release of his goods provisionally when the investigation or the adjudication or both the proceedings are pending before the adjudication officer. As a result of this, the adjudication officer is bound by law to release his goods provisionally on the conditions deemed fit by him. Now again, these conditions don't have to be arbitrary or whimsical. These conditions have to be in provisions or under law, and it has to be in sync with these provisions of law. Like these conditions can be that the importer is to furnish a bank guarantee or a bond or maybe some percentage amount of differential duty. Now another problem which is coming forth in the customs area is whether show cause notice which is issued by a DRI officer is a proper show cause notice or not. This issue has come before the Honorable High Court in plethora of cases. There are a number of writs which were pending before the High Court of Delhi and all over India. As far as the Delhi High Court goes, in a case of Mangli Impex, they have settled this issue and this issue has been set at bay, and they have said that the show cause notices issued prior to 8th April 2011 by the DRI officers are not valid show cause notices. Hence, they have to be quashed, bringing a lot of relief to the importers because they have interpreted Section 28(2) of the Customs Act 1962 and have said that these officers have not been given the duty to short levy, non-levy or refund the duty in these cases. So, any show cause notice which has been issued prior to 8/4/2011 by a DRI officer for an offence committed under the Customs Act 1962 is not a valid show cause notice.